Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Tab S9 FE by Samsung. I already have the Tab S8 Plus by Samsung. This is a 12.4-inch display which is ideal for multitasking, and I found that it was good for use around the house. It wasn't really portable for me to take to work with me, and so I wanted something for more personal use that I could carry around with me to log in and check my emails, to take some notes whilst away at work. Now, of course, already having the Tab S8 Plus, these tablets aren't cheap, and so I didn't really want to get another flagship model. The Tab S9 FE had a smaller screen size and was more affordable. FE, if you didn't know, stands for Fan Edition. With the FE models, Samsung offer the flagship features but at a more affordable price. In my last video, I unboxed the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE phone. Links to this video and other videos on my channel will be posted in the description, or if you look out for the cards during the video. Please don't forget to check out my channel and like, share and subscribe. Today I'm unboxing the silver colour of the Tab S9 FE, and it's the 5G variant, as you can see. Just looking at the box, you can already tell that the tablet is more handheld and smaller in size in comparison to the 12.4-inch tablet displays. Also released by Samsung was the Galaxy S9 FE Plus, which is a 12.4-inch display and is the follow-on from previous year's S7 FE. The S9 FE also comes in a grey colour, a silver colour and a mint colour. As always, Samsung deliver its tablets in a very sleek and slim style packaging. Aside from the tablet itself, within the packaging is contained the tablet, the S Pen, which as you can see is the colour white, the data cable and a SIM ejection pin. This is the first time that Samsung have offered a Fan Edition tablet model in a smaller screen size. Traditionally they've been the 12.4 size. Having owned a 12.4-inch tablet, while they may be great for productivity and multi-screen viewing, I would say that they do become quite heavy in the hand when taking notes or to lug around if you're taking your tablet with you day to day. This year in 2024, Samsung also released an updated version of the Tab S6 Lite. Now, whilst this is a good alternative to a budget-friendly tablet, it does lack on a lot of the tablet features that even the S9 FE has. Like the flagship Tab S9 series, the Tab S9 FE series are also water and dust resistant with the IP68 rating, both for the tablet and the S Pen. The Tab S9 FE retains the classic sleek design of the previous flagship tablets, namely the S8 and the S9. On the back of the tablet we have a 8-megapixel resolution camera. The tablet itself weighs a mere 523 grams. It feels very lightweight in the hand. Around the edges of the tablet we can see here the pins which allow the tablet to attach to the S9 keyboard covers. Here we have the SIM ejector tray as well as the AKG tuned dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Along the side of the tablet we have the power button which houses the fingerprint sensor as well as the volume rocker. The tablet supports fast charging with the USB-C connection, so with an eligible adapter you can support up to 45-watt charging. The tablet itself boasts an 8000 mAh battery, which in comparison to the S9 battery isn't far off. The S9 battery offers an 8400 mAh battery. Now we're taking a greater look at the S Pen. I think it's great that the tablet comes with the S Pen. On the Tab S9 FE, the S Pen itself is without Bluetooth features, so it doesn't need charging. It attaches magnetically to the back of the tablet. The button on the side of the S Pen allows for quick access to the eraser when taking notes. You can see here I'm comparing it to the black S Pen. Personally, I do like the look of the white S Pen. Here you can see when attaching the S Pen to the back of the tablet, it holds firm, it doesn't move as quickly, and you can also attach the S Pen in both directions. You further have the option to place the S Pen at the end of the tablet for quick accessibility. Now, just before we turn the tablet on, we can't not put a case on it. I don't know about you, but I feel really scared about dropping the tablet or scratching it. I always have to put on a case. Here I have your regular portfolio case. I like that this has a clear back so you can see the color of the tablet. The hollow button for the power button also allows fingerprint recognition, and there is also a designated slot for the S Pen. Here is just a short visual comparison of the Tab S9 FE with previous year's modelled Tab S8. Now, whilst they are both small tablet sizes under 11-inch, you can see the relatively similar design. The reason I'm comparing the Tab S9 FE with the Tab S8 is because if you're looking for a budget tablet in 2024, you might want to consider the Tab S8, which may be available from secondhand or refurbished retailers, or even brand new at a more affordable price than the previous year's S9 flagship model. And now we can finally turn on the tablet. The Tab S9 FE hosts a LCD display and is one of the reasons why the tablet is significantly cheaper than its flagship brothers and sisters. The other tablets, such as the S9, offer a AMOLED display. In addition to this, the S9 FE has a 90Hz refresh rate as opposed to 120Hz refresh rate on the other tablets. One of the first things I do when setting up the tablet is set up the fingerprint security. Now, coming from the Tab S8 Plus, I must say it is a pleasure to use the power button. I find it easier to turn the tablet on and off using this rather than the in-screen fingerprint display. The Tab S9 FE has the Exynos 1380 chipset. Now, on first impressions, the tablet performs very smoothly and snappily, and the colours on the screen are quite vibrant. Coming from using the Tab S8 Plus, which has the AMOLED display and 120Hz refresh rate and Snapdragon processor, I must say using the Tab S9 FE has been a pleasure of an experience, and I'd say would be quite user friendly for the average user. For daily tasks, I can see the tablet performing well and being able to handle whatever you throw at it. Now, I'm not much of a gamer, but for multitasking and gaming, I would have to see and use a tablet for a while to see how well this performs. Unfortunately, as far as I'm aware, the Galaxy AI update, which was available to the S24 series and more recently the S23 series and the Tab S9 series, is not available on this tablet. The Galaxy Tab S9 FE is considered a mid-range tablet, and as far as I'm aware will not be offered this support. Here you can see I am using the photo editor tool that's available in the gallery to do some mild photo editing. However, without Galaxy AI, you'll be unable to produce a background or produce generated images to fill in the gaps. As with all Samsung Galaxy Android devices, you can hugely customize your device. I generally use the Good Luck app, which you'll be able to see in my previous videos, to customize and make the tablet more productive and efficient for myself. So there you have it. This was my unboxing video for the Tab S9 FE. Please let me know what your thoughts were about the video and about the tablet. If you have it, please comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on using it. Let me know what your tablet of choice is for 2024. Please don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel, and as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.